The dust is settling on the soles of my shoes. There's a heavy weight in the silence of the room. I'm looking at the map, seeing where I've been, between the life I'm living and the one I'm dreaming in. There are two roads stretching out into the grave. One is for the soul, and one is just to pay the way. But you can't reach the mountain till you walk the valley floor. You've got to open up the lock before you find the door. Walk the path you must with your head held high, so you can earn the right to reach for the open sky. If you're tired, friend, learn how to rest, but don't you dare give up. Don't put it to the test. Luck doesn't fall like rain from the blue. If you want brave, no one's gonna be strong for you. Take a breath, feel the beat, find your place. Life isn't a sprint, it's a saving grace. Don't look for miracles to appear out of thin air. Success is built on the burdens that you choose to bear. It's a long road ahead, so don't you start to panic now. The sweat on your skin is the fruit of your plow. Give yourself a minute, give yourself some space to find the steady rhythm of a slower pace. The story's only starting, the pages are still blank. Don't let the bitter water fill up your tank. Let the past be the past, let the echoes fade away. The sun is coming up on a brand new day. Let the past pass, let the start begin. Take the path you must and find your way home again.